already installed on the PC. So you just click to kickstart it. And right now you'll be welcome to this very simple dialog. So down here, you have the range of projects that you are working on. You can see them listed over here, and you can see to start, you can click on this to start creating a project. You can log in if you want. If you have an account, you can just easily log in. And down here, you have the settings. This is the global settings. You can just click and see global settings over here, and many other settings like the terms and conditions and many more. Okay, so but for just this tutorial, just go ahead and click to start, and you will be welcome to this editing platform. So up here you have the media bin. This is where you dump all your media. These are various functions that I will explain much later. The audio functions, the text, how to add text, and stickers, effects, transitions, filters, and other adjustments as well. So this is the preview panel. This is just like a player where you can preview what is happening on the timeline. This is your timeline. All the other features, you bring them in over here. All the video clips, you bring them in over here. The video, the audio, the images, all the media, you dump them over here and navigate around. This is where you see the preview. And then these are the details. Okay, this is like the property panel that you can see what you are working on and how and what you can edit accordingly.